Hello, my name is Lulu Gaona, and I'm going to tell you about my English Integrative project. It's about the travel agency. Um, well, here we have three countries. The first country is Brazil. Brazil is South America, is characterized by being the largest country on the continent. It is also one of the few nations in South America where Spanish is not spoken. And the customs, carnival, and truly Brazilian time of the year. Brazil's passion for football is real. The football is the soccer. The dancer, the samba. Food, food is a pecan ham, feijoa, moqueca. The activities, music, dancing, and the festivals are central to Brazilian life. The works are good and thrilling. You can surf in them. The second country is the Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world. It has beautiful cities, very modern, with a fusion of cultures and traditions, which make it the most diverse group of nationalities and ethnic groups and the prosperous multicultural society. The custom is ice hockey is the most important sport. The gastronomy and the strapet. The food putting one of the many culinary games to game of French Canada. Then Canada bacon and Caesar. Their activities is polar bear safari is fascinating, but with you is fried things. See the northern lights is thrilling in visiting Niagara Falls. The third city is Mexico. Mexico is on the Sur North America countries in the North America, just below in the United States. It has the largest number of Spanish-speaking population in the world. And you customs, Day of the Dead, handicrafts, the piñata, and Day of the Virgin of Guadalupe. And the food, enchiladas, pozole, flautas, quesadillas, mole, chiles, rellenos, etc. Activity. Explore the pyramids of Calakmul and the of the Sun. Take photos on the Palace of Fine Arts. Club the pyramids of Teotihuacan. Take your part on the Island of the Keys. Tourist trip. The person I chose is a businessman, has traveled on over Europe. He has never traveled on to the American continent. He was in Russia and enjoys both the cold and the heat of Spain. And he wants to experience that food in America. I recommend traveling to Mexico since you can enjoy both the temperatures and the wonderful tradition of the country, this country. He likes liquor, and I'm sure that he likes tequila. In his spare time, he likes to cook and think that cooking and trying Mexican food will be an adventure. Thank you. I am finished.